So this is new iPhone XS Max. It's coming with the iPhone XS Max phone, earpod, lightning connector, lightning to USB cable connector, power adapter and everything. Okay, and its configuration iPhone XS Max, space gray, 256 GB. Okay, so today I received this XS Max and let we can open. So we just remove this cover. So now we have it's opened, and this is, as usual, Apple is giving its manual, all new manuals. And there is the sticker, Apple sticker, and this is the pin for changing the SIM. Okay, and all the manuals like how to off, on and everything. Okay, so just keep it somewhere. Now let's take a phone. So this is phone, iPhone XS Max, space gray color. Okay, so now keep this here. It's coming adapter, and this is earpod lightning connector. So we can see lightning connector here. So this is the lightning connector earpod. Now this is lightning cable for charging. Okay, so now let it turn on. We can turn on. This is the power button, we can turn on. This is the volume and this is sound. This is jack, power jack, and the same jack is used for headset, earpod. So now let's turn on. Okay, now it's turning on. Yes, it's turned on. So now we'll go to, we'll set English or whatever language and country. About this, I am staying in UAE, so I am going to select UAE. Then if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS or later, bring it nearby, sign in automatically. So this feature is like, if you have an old iPhone, you can bring it near to this phone and automatically Apple ID and everything will sign in automatically. So now I don't have any iPhone. I have one iPhone, but I don't want to use that one to configure. So set it manually. So keyboard I can choose English, Arabic, emoji. English language. I just need English language. I don't need Arabic to show, but later I can set it in settings. Choose Wi-Fi. So this is the Wi-Fi available in my home. So I can set it. Yes, now it's connected to Wi-Fi, and it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So let's wait. Okay, data privacy, okay, fine. Then I can enable Face ID. You can enable Face ID later, setup later in settings. Then passcode options. Okay, I don't use passcode now, but I will set it later. Don't use passcode. Now this is the important thing. Different options are giving: restore from iCloud, restore from iTunes, move data from Android, don't transfer app. Okay, so if I have a iCloud backup, I can use this option. iTunes backup in my laptop, I can use this. If I am using Android, I can use this option. This is very important because anyone wants to switch from Android, they can use this option. And this is I am setting as a new phone. Okay, so this is the general one, and after setting you can use as your brand new iPhone XS Space Gray. This is 6.5 inch big screen. So now so this is iPhone XS Max. Thank you for watching my video.